Lights, camera, action. Everybody talk.
Okay.
Oh no, I want some real movement. I don't want all this wild stuff. What's your name? Come in front of the camera and say your name and tell. No!
Heidi.
Heidi what?
Heidi Harris.
What are you going to be? Okay, step aside. Next.
Lori.
Lori what?
What?
Where did you go?
Feed my door.
Next. What are you going to be?
Punk rocker. Oh, punk rocker. Play the machine.
What are you going to be? You don't know? A gypsy. All right.
Heather Harris.
What are you looking at, Heather Harris? Look at the camera.
Okay. I got a phone on the camera.
Here's the camera right here, girl.
Oh.
What are you going to be? I hear it's your birthday today.
Yeah.
Was it your birthday yesterday?
Yeah. I'm going to be off.
So what, let's watch Lori pick it out, okay?
You know where I am?
What are you?
Vampire.
Look at the camera.
I'm a vampire.
Oh. Next. Get a knife. Get a knife.
I'm Hope Harris, and I'm going to be a witch.
Ooh. Who's this girl? Next. Where's that Marcia girl? What are you going to be? What's your name?
I don't know.
You don't know. Gypsy Rose, is it?
My name's Heather Harris.
Two Heather Harrises. You must be related to the other one, huh?
Yep. Don't sit on my spoon. Oh, man. Hello. Marty, Marcia, he's chasing you.
Can't hide from the camera. Huh?
Come on. Are you recording us? Roar. 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 What's that in Please be my baby. Mom. Mom. Where did you go? Aren't we? Yes, get the little one, get. Oh. She's kicking me.
Don't kick Heidi. Get away from her. She's grouchy.
I don't know what's this. Hi.
Where's the music, guys?
I'll go. That's room. Elf. Elf, that's with a vampire. What? Marty, let's do what we did.
Where's the music, guys?
La 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 la.
What is this, a monster mash dance, is it? Well, Lori's doing a strip dance, huh?
No. I'm in a strip.
I hope not, because I got it on camera. I'll show your dad. Someday when you guys are 16, I'll show these to you again. We'll invite your boyfriends over.
Take a picture of Poppy. She's sitting right down there.
Where'd she go?
You're weird. Hey, you. Come on, Hulk. Get out here. Come here. I don't have shorts underneath this. See what I see?
Look at that sleeping clown.
She's just like a clown.
Leave her alone. She's tired.
No, go like this. Go like this. I got a tie on. Like this.
Hope you should come out and get in the party.
You do that. What never felt like before.
Heather, vampires are supposed to see themselves in the mirror?
Don't kill themselves. Look straight in the this stuff stays on for good.
Okay.
Hey, Poppy.
Wet butt. Wet hound.
Stop.
Play with her. Run. Run, Heidi.
White cat tire cinnamon. White cat tire cinnamon.
Throw something for her. Huh?
Don't know what it was?
No, I don't know what it was.
Oh. My turn. You can bring it down. Keep your Mickey's and keep your ham. No! It's joy of playing with your presents.
Wasn't that joyous?
You guys can just open your presents anytime.
Mom, it's not.
We're all going to sit here and watch the TV because we're on it.
Hey, I know, Donna. Let me tape it, and you open your present too.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, you be on the TV.
Let's vote on it. Yeah.
Are you taping us? Yeah, me.
Let me do it, because then
Yes.
all the whole family can be on the TV.
You really want? There's a green light that's going to go on for record when it's recording.
Okay.
Okay.
Get in there,
You
Mom.
know you're now recording?
Yeah, I
You're
am.
all right here, Lisa, so you have to just...
It's
try
the
to
green
get
light's
me right
on.
here. Yeah, so you're
Look,
not too close.
new-
Too close.
New snow boots, man.
Oh, snow boots.
Yeah.
See, look
They can
at
run high and jump fast.
two little piggies playing. Want to see my two little piggies?
Oh, wow, neat.
Mom, like my shirt? Could
Oh,
we
yeah, I
open
do.
now?
Yeah, what are you waiting for?
Look at my dress.
Brenda, you want a present to open?
Mom, look at my dress.
Ooh, pretty.
We got to open all right. Yeah.
Do you have any
We have-
presents?
No, we didn't open them
You
yet.
guys should have brought them here. We could put you in the movies.
No, forget it.
Oh, look at my shirt, Mom.
Hey, it's got low light on it.
Oh, yeah, it always says...
Oh, okay.
Mom, see?
Whoa. Yeah, that's nice, huh?
See?
Ooh, oh, see? Okay.
Oh, a man Barbie.
Oh, yeah.
Mom,
A
look.
man Barbie.
Go with my skipper.
You got Ken? Ken the wimp.
Mom, look at this.
Yeah.
Mom, this box isn't going to be very good because I just ripped the whole thing.
I noticed that.
See?
Another one.
See my dress. Looky.
Wow.
Now we'll have a dress.
Let me see. Oh, that is pretty. Yeah.
I'm gonna open my Barbie now. Mom.
Wow.
Well, I wonder if Grandma gave me a dress.
Mom. See?
Heather, that was my present. Give it back.
No. See? That's what Animal loving Barbie.
Animal loving Barbie.
Mama.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice.
She comes with the
What are you
animal.
doing? Taking my presents, too? This one's mine.
Come on, Heidi, back off.
Mom, see?
You didn't even show us what you got. Here's the...
Ooh.
A brush and an animal.
I see that. It said Donna on it, right?
What?
It said Donna, right? To Donna?
No, it says to Heather. See what I got?
What is it? Barbie.
Heather, let's do your Barbie.
Y'all got Barbies. Hey, they're going to be collector's items is what I hear.
Animals loving Barbie.
Ooh.
Oh, you should have seen me wrap these presents right in front of Steve. You didn't even know I was doing it.
Hey, what can I say? I was into,
Watching the TV sitting on the
TV,
bed
man.
next to me, I was wrapping these presents. They were in boxes. He didn't even know it. I got done and I said, how'd you like me wrapping your presents right in front of you? He said, what?
She wouldn't even tell me what they
He
was.
didn't even say anything. He didn't know what none of it was.
Oh, look it.
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
go to
Ooh.
and pants.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pants.
Right.
And socks.
Oh, I like this one. Yeah, this is nice.
Mom, this has a shirt and pants and socks.
All right. Now we have clothes, don't we?
I don't go to Sunday school. That's the only thing I don't do. Oh, animal loving Barbie. I gotta open her now.
You do.
Yeah.
Okay, now for the grand finale. Everybody moon me.
What does that mean?
Oh, nothing.
That means like
Pull down your pants and don't go
Frank
crazy.
yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Now do I quit, or what do I, okay.
You push the trigger when you want to
Push
stop.
trigger and
Okay,
You don't
let's,
want to stop. You don't want
don't?
to stop.
Okay.
See?
Usually we would have Christmas music. Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah, because that way it sounds better.
Mom, put on my Beach Boys record I got.
Groovy. You can't hardly tell, you're kind of close, Heather.
Okay.
Barbie record.
Here.
Oh, on the TV? Okay. I can't see what any of the colors are of what they got.
Yeah, see, that's bad because there's not enough room in this house. Cause I could have seen. What are you laughing at?
Oh, nothing. In a pear tree.
you'll catch it when it plays
Yeah,
back.
I will. Yeah.
What are you gonna do, right? Eat
See, I
it?
didn't do was taking pictures.
Hey, did you hear that Runner was movie? Well, it was.
No, I didn't tell them about that one.
Well, it was Chris.
Shirt. She's getting better. 100% cotton.
Mom, see? Four calling her. You know what Terry says? He goes 440 dogs.
You don't have to tell us what Terry says.
Animal loving Barbie. I'm joking, yes I do. See, Mama, look. I got Precious Moments. Noah's Ark. I already have.
I hope to have a different style.
Barbie
Look
is
at the disgust, man. Whoa, what a face. I think your father's been beating you with the front end of the car too much.
Mom. Dad. Mom is recording.
Focus it, Mom. Wink, Heather. You know how to wink? You know how to kiss? Yeah.
Brand new boots. So does
Oh, look, Mom. $60.
Where are you?
right there.
A present that you bought for yourself that was really, really good.
Yeah. $1.29. You doing? Playing with the kids as Barbie there, Lisa?
I'm just playing with the cans.
Mom's recording
Yeah.
you, Lisa.
Don't.
Those look like Michael Jackson socks there.
Animal
Yeah, you're only
loving
supposed to
Barbie.
have one sock if it's Michael Jackson.
Really? No, one glove.
Oh. I can see who you've been watching.
Oh, MTV too.
Right. Oh, you guys really. That's nice.
An animal loving Barbie. Thanks, Grandma.
Too bad you couldn't show.
That's my mom. That's a rocking chair. That's our Christmas tree for 1990. Where is it? 1992. Okay. Stick your tongue out or something. The thinker man. I'm just like my dad. Yeah, Black Toes does. Up.
Really don't even focus it once you. Just really.
You look dead, Dad.
Yeah. Your lips are moving.
Oh, you look like you're just like laying there.
You're like laying there. He's like sitting there.
Find him laying, he's sitting, whatever.
Yeah.
Up here I really like Brad. Heather, you're gonna be getting these off instead of throwing down there. Okay? You hear me? Here's the ones that we made.
Okay.
Mom,
Huh?
the orange killed me right here. Right.
And now that's why we need to get the tree down. It's dying.
Look at it now, Mom. See its bangs? Heidi.
Oh,
See?
pretty.
Huh?
Yeah. What did you do, Rabbit?
Mommy. See, I go. See? Right. There.
Tell me about it.
Mom.
Step back.
Mom, this is my Barbies that I got from Grandma Harris. And it is a beach Barbie. And I added its bangs right here. And here's its camera. And its earrings and palm trees.
Uh-huh.
And see, it got yellow shoes, high tops, and blue socks. Hi. Yep, the colors.
How was your Christmas?
My Christmas was good. Bye. Hi, I got this from. Hi, Mom. I got this from you, and I got it from Christmas from you, and I like it.
And Dad.
It's a porcelain doll. It has two little pieces right here and right here, and it got green eyes with black in them, and she got the ponytail. Here.
Did you have a good Christmas?
Yep. And see your little Heather Harris. I got this pinball machine called Santa Claus. Yeah, there. And it really works, and it's very miniature. Now the first one, Melinda. And this is my porcelain doll I got from Mom and Dad. And she's really nice. She even spins and everything.
Did you have a good Christmas?
Yes, I had a very nice Christmas. Thank you. Mom and Dad, I got this from Santa Claus. Heather. This and you got it from Miss Claus. I got this from Santa Claus. And this, and it's just what I wanted. And this one has blonde hair and blue eyes, just like me.
Good. Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah, I had a good Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Well,
Morning. Wait for Dad.
He wishes he could come through.
What Christmas is this?
1992. Yeah, 1992, 93.
Did you guys get something from Santa Claus?
Yes.
Are you going to open your presents or what?
Oh, okay.
Mom worked on how to cook, and you do a darn good job of it.
Oh, awesome. Look, guys, got a gun.
You got a gun, we might not have.
Look at guys, look. Gun.
I'm dangerous now.
That's scary.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mom.
What are you guys doing? Opening the same one all at one time?
Yeah, we decided we wanted to get that one out of the way. Since is the oddball.
Thank you guys. The infinite waterfall.
Awesome. Thanks.
Mommy, look.
Where's Mom's pile?
I was scared to give you those after you fought the other day.
Huh?
I was scared to give you guys those after you were fighting the other day.
Shoot each other. That's funny, Mom.
Got it hardly.
Can you guys give Jake a present to open?
Book of lightsabers.
Let's give Jake one and let him open it.
Look, you got a book of lightsabers, guys.
You've got a book of lightsabers.
Well,
And then you got me this.
Hey, Jake.
I got oil! I got oil! I got oil! I got oil! Hey, get down, get down, get down, get down.
Did you need some oil, Heather? Boy, you're weird. I'm glad you got some oil, though.
oh,
Oh,
oh, neat.
Look at this.
Gloves.
look at this. Isn't it cool?
Those
Yeah.
are my gloves, Mom.
Where?
It wasn't oil.
All right.
Yeah, really.
Try them on.
You guys
Try your stuff on.
I
Can
said
you try
it.
my gloves on here?
Mm-hmm.
I got over.
Did Jake go outside yet?
Nope.
Because I don't need to. I need to
These are
open
some
my
nice
presents.
gloves here. Look at these.
You guys ought to have him help him open it. Heather, you're gonna have to go way far away.
Nice gloves here. There, try them on.
You like that?
Yeah.
Jake, that's the name.
Thank you.
A binder? Oh.
I'm so happy when you guys got me that oil.
Look at the shoes I got. Awesome, I got a mix filter. Ooh, those are nice. Mix filters.
Hey, Jake.
They're genuine leather. I got baseball.
Oh, this is a nice shirt. I wonder if it'll fit. This is a nice shirt.
This is for all.
Yeah?
Rotten 100%.
Do you like my bow?
Gorgeous.
Okay, this is to all of us, guys.
Those
Mom
are-
and Dad.
Guys, all wait and look at it at the same time.
Oh, cool. Albert Jr.
Oh,
Oh, awesome. Look at this, Heidi.
we got bullets for 'em.
Oh, cool. Now we can really go hunt some rabbits.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Holy cow! Dan caught the storm. Oh man.
Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider. Oh God, Santa Claus is nice to me. Oh, and are they white?
You guys reading who you get your stuff from?
Huh? Yeah. They're even white candles.
Where'd you go from? What?
Grandma. Isn't that nice? A CD wallet. Cool. So I have CDs
Oh my
on
God.
music. Oh, cool. Firehouse, hold your fire. These are new ones.
We got
Cool,
magic
now I have
things.
things this patch for.
Look, you guys.
Awesome, Dalmatian. Oh, cool.
How you got that donation thing?
Cool.
The Barbie.
Cool.
When's Mom gonna open hers?
Whenever.
So it make you wonder why you keep getting all that stuff?
No.
Why?
I don't know. I suppose it does.
Why don't you wonder?
They
They got me a black cam. Oh, thanks, Open Mommy.
You're welcome.
Well, I like
Where are they?
Black Pants by Barzell.
What else?
Yeah. Where else would anybody want to get? Cool, look at this cool sweatshirt. I gave you one.
Go show Mom didn't want me to open this one.
Awesome. And then sweatpants. You didn't peek in it.
Ah.
Huh? I said you need peek in it.
Open it, peek in it, whatever. That's the old thing. Yeah.
Thank you.
What do you got? What is it?
Card.
Christmas cards?
Baseball card.
Wow.
They are. Right there.
Oh, awesome.
200.
Look at this, Mom.
Yeah, I remember buying that.
This is really pretty. I like it. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Oh, I got a CD player, Heather. Awesome.
They already told you that, didn't they?
No,
They didn't tell you?
tell me. I tried to beg them. They wouldn't tell me I got it.
Ooh.
Heather. Bigger and bigger, and they go, it's a box full of
What you got?
clothes from Value Villa.
Box full of clothes from Value Villa.
Yes.
Good comeback, Heather.
Box of clothes from Value Villa.
I got this for fishing.
Oh, thanks, Heidi. Heidi got me a watch, another watch, Mommy.
All right.
Thanks, Heidi.
It's chapstick too.
Neat. That's pretty neat.
Banana pink?
What you got?
Me.
Yeah. Coat tray.
I made it myself.
Yeah. Good job.
Whoa, this is nice also. It's just like Cook's pink one she gave me. Blue. Okay, I got a one like that. Oh, one more. Okay. It's gonna take a while, Mom. Sure, you guys could wrap it all the way. Oh, you
I
can
got
wrap it all
gloves.
the way around.
The gloves.
Think you might wear those?
Yeah, I will.
Are you gonna lose them?
No, I'm not. Not these. You got the hairband. I don't. It's my hair. It's my natural.
What is it, Heather?
Says on this end. Okay, it's trap set. It's a trap set. It's a trap set. It is. It's a trap set. Look at Mommy. It says it's trap set. Look, it's trap set.
That's just what it says.
No. Liar.
Candles.
Yeah.
Same here, man.
Didn't know you guys got so excited over candles and oil.
Awesome. You got me these?
Oh boy, you think you might stick your cards in there?
Yeah.
Take the question laying over here, but you didn't miss it, huh?
Yeah, you're gonna end up throwing them away.
Yeah. Yes, I am. I'm
What do you got? Oh, pretty. A cow?
Barbie.
Ah.
Just have your big arm, Heather. I just slipped here.
Does that look okay, Heather?
Looks great, Heather.
Holy cow.
Why don't you go ahead and leave leave it in there and open all the rest of your presents.
This is the rest of
Yeah, Hope, did you open all yours? Dad, did you open all yours?
Holy cow, we got another one.
Oh, Tim, what's this? Tim, what's this?
Right on.
Now you guys know how to put it in this. This has to be there now.
Where'd I get?
Heather. Heather.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Where's Hope? Hope. Merry Christmas. Heidi.
Anybody know where this came from?
Grandma, probably.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I got Skipper.
Hey. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That don't sound like her snare drum.
The sticks, they don't have the rubber on them.
The couch arm is not a stand.
It'll be close enough, don't you think?
Yeah. I like it though.
Thanks, Heather. I really need to see. Really bad.
Rock.
I'm cold.
Magic rock. So is that the one you had the car over there? Huh.
Who's that from?
Got a Ken.
The tape master.
Really got a Ken.
Who's it really from?
You.
Oh, okay. Ira.
Oh, you did?
Ken. My Barbie.
Definitely knew
My
how
other
to
one
use
got
the tape.
ripped off. Like,
Definitely.
head.
Oh, I know what that is. I just remembered.
Well, it's bad enough we use tape all the way around. We tape to the box.
Hope wrapped it, not me. Well, do you like it?
Patience for me, yeah.
And it's even 10 pounds.
You wanted.
I need that.
But I couldn't get the bigger one because it cost too much.
That's fine. 20.
Can I teach?
See, check this out. It's right in my coat tray.
Mama.
Here.
Close up
Hold it. No, you're not going to do close up. You're just going to hold it right like that.
Nice coat tray. You've done a good job.
Oh, Jake wants back in now.
Moving too fast from side to side there, Heidi.
That's from the outside. I wrapped that one.
You wrap this one?
Where's my present, Dad?
Huh?
Go get it, Jake. Go get it. Yeah. Call him.
Check that sucker out.
Because I always wanted one of these, a human foot.
Yeah. She's all right.
You didn't even get him, Heidi.
Right. Careful, too
Hey,
close.
where you going? Come on, Mom. Yours is over here.
Carol, hand him.
I don't want you to take pictures of me.
Hurry, boy.
Why?
Because
You took them with the rest of us.
I'm not dressed.
You're stuffing Heidi, stuffing Mom.
You are too.
How do you get it close up?
You're not going to.
You're seeing your Mom.
With that.
Have you looked at
And
him?
you have to focus it with
My
you.
thing, that's my coat tray.
Gotta focus
No.
it.
Boy, somebody.
Turn this to focus it.
Under the tree, everything is piling
Turn this to focus it.
Dad,
She's
look
doing
at
fine.
it. Dad.
Look at those.
Heidi.
Whoa.
Why? We should take a picture of my butt. No, of Heidi's Harvey.
If you're gonna leave it there, you need to focus it.
Ooh, big bag.
Try to open my presents.
Thanks for the.
Look on television.
Do you like them?
Look on
I don't
television,
have
you guys.
those either.
I don't think so.
Guys, a little light.
Look on television, you guys.
That's what I thought, so I got you the dark one.
Oh.
Put those in my tote tray.
I got your fish
Here,
and stuff.
check this out, Heidi.
That's where Emily's gonna add. We thought you could open it.
I do.
You can.
Open.
Gotta take it off close up. Is there close up?
Put my ice flies in my tote tray.
To Mom from Heather and Hope Rapture.
I Rapture. Originally from Heather, but Hope Rapture.
Nice photos, Heather.
There.
She got it from Mom.
Oh, and this.
Is it a Barbie doll?
You want mine?
Is it a Barbie doll, Mama?
Well, I was just trying to figure Donna from Mom. Oh. My
Oh,
mom.
good.
Your mom?
Did you tell her I needed that so I could start sewing instead of you?
No, she bought it. She bought
Is
it.
this what you said I needed?
No.
Oh.
That's what I.
Oh, so you should have given it to me.
I
See,
almost
this
got
is
you
what
this one.
Lisa and Randy got us.
Really? Is
Yeah.
it musical or?
Are you musical? Don't. Hey, bud, you're dropping everything. Go back to where you came from. I'd rather you not.
Heidi,
Good pictures, like.
you can look through the deal there if you're gonna.
Take pictures like your dad.
Thanks.
Used to.
What a camera master you are.
Used to. To Mom from.
I know, now I got fired.
Married to.
Replaced.
Jake, did you make this mess? He said, I didn't even open any of these. Where's your present?
Yeah.
He said, I was wondering
We
what
got you
guys
now.
were doing.
Better pick them out. I wanted to get you some really nice boxes first, but.
Shaker.
Oh, nice. Now I gotta take along care of copies.
Hey. No.
Hey, what are you taking pictures of there?
Jake was jumping on me.
What did you guys do there? What? Oh, okay. I see.
That's from Dad.
No, it's from
Oh,
us.
yeah.
Okay. All right.
Thanks, Airhead.
Well,
Flashlight. What are you doing? Wrong. Oh, thanks, guys. Why are you guys saying that?
Over her head and below her knees, Mom. What'd you get?
I like it, Heather. Thank you, guys. Welcome.
Show,
okay, now open the one from me.
first you gotta show it to me, Mom.
Keychains for work. Has a flashlight on it. Big. My things hang on my keys.
Oh, goody.
Screwdriver thingy.
Yep.
Light, so I can go places in the dark. I'm all set.
Ah, scary man.
What'd Dad get?
T-shirt.
Under that.
Ooh, big face. Just right.
Kind of
So. Ah! Ah!
Especially from Dad.
Okay, I forgot what that was. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, you have to open this one. I forgot what it was.
Sweater.
Dick, where
Yeah,
you
I
putting
took
the
that
dough?
out also.
Where's your big one?
It's 100% cotton.
Where's your big one we got her?
All right.
And it still has a price tag on
Oh,
it, so
this
don't
is
look.
nice.
Down